Hello friends, welcome to Free Cryptocurrency channel. In today's video, we will discuss about a new project which is called Solidus. What is Solidus? Most organizations and companies today need the compounding power for their complex needs. Where these high complex needs power can complete their task more quickly. Today there are various service providers that provide computing power to individual, user and business which user can easily online. Later user can use this compounding power for their various needs through the interface provided by provider. Seeing the increasing demand of computing power, Solidus is moved to become a platform that will build on Europe's largest eco-friendly HPC data center. Solidus provide a high power compounding HPC data center and infrastructure as a service platform where everyone can access and buy it easily using the iTech token, which is Solidus native tokens. Solidus not only builds on HPC and infrastructure as a service data center, but a computations network that was created to be able to distribute compounding power to individuals or organizations more efficiently. Solidus has a focus on being able to build a platform that is supported by using artificial intelligence technology, which will make the process run more efficiently. Solidus is a platform that aims to build an eco-friendly and efficient HPC data center. With the feature offered by Solidus, it enables users to get computing power more efficiently and quickly by using iTech tokens, especially those who are companies that are working on the complex IL project requiring high computing power. Solidus is a right solutions. But that's not at all. There are several other features of Solidus. Enterprise blockchain solution. The solution offered by Solidus allow public sector organization to be able to get the right blockchain solution for their organization. Solidus built a blockchain operating system that provide various blockchain feature that organization need such as a smart contract, assets management solution, etc. Security. Security is a top priority in a technology platform. Therefore, Solidus is a committed to providing user with a high security service that protect all user data and does not allow hacking or other problem. iTech electrolysis activities are the future, so the response to this Solidus has a design to be able to build a platform that provide various features such as all GPU data center others. Tokenomics. The Solidus platform allows user to get computing power more affordable and easy by using iTech token. iTech token is a token that will connected Solidate with a user and has a various function such as payments or investment. With iTech token, user can get computing power more quickly and easily. Users do not choose products that suit their needs and can directly pay for it with the iTech tokens. This is the easiest and most secure way to get computing power using cryptocurrency. Hope you will enjoy the short review of Solidus token. Meet you again with another project. Please take care and bye bye.